Hi there traders, this is Steve Miley. The market chart is for FX Explained, and here we're going to take a look at and run through the major, or a few of the major European and US equity indices in here. We're going to take a look at the FTSE 100, the DAX, and also the S&P 500. So the FTSE 100 had this significant sell-off a couple of days ago as the pound rallied after the Brexit Party decision to not stand against the Conservative Party. So the pound rallied, the FTSE sold off, moving the opposite direction to the pound in here, as many of the FTSE 100 components are made up of companies that earn overseas revenues, and so obviously a stronger pound in here is negative for those. So the FTSE sell-off, but then it did strong intraday rebound back at the beginning of the week on Monday, and then a firm follow through on the upside yesterday, leaving the market pointing higher going into today. So short and intermediate term views in here positive, looking for a move up maybe up to these targets. We have had a dip lower in here on overnight trading this morning, but we're looking for a pushback higher going into today. And if we go and take a look at the German DAX in here, there's the S&P, we'll come to that shortly, but here's the DAX. The DAX in here again pushing higher, a new cycle high in here yesterday. Yes, the market's dipped lower, but whilst holding above support around 13,200, we're looking for a push back up above 13,300 and for higher targets going into today and this week. And then switching to the S&P 500, the US benchmark in here, we see another new all-time high in here for the US benchmark through the psychological option target 3100 up to 3102. And again, whilst holding support in here at 3081, 80 kind of area, we're looking for upside pressures. Markets across the board in here dipping lower overnight. That was on the back of the fact that we've had in here some negative comments in here, potentially negative comments from President Trump, saying that they would put on extra tariffs, but the speech yesterday not having a huge impact on markets. In fact, markets had pushed to new highs before that speech, not really reacting too negatively in here, and despite the dip we've had lower, we're still looking for upside pressures to come back through in here as we go through today. So a still bullish tone for global equity markets, and we're looking higher for today and into and through the second half of November. This has been Steve Miley for FX Explained. Please join us again for our next YouTube video, and don't forget to follow us on YouTube, and we'll be back with you soon. Until then, have a great trading day.